Good morning, children. Sai Ram. I welcome you back for our chapter 2nd in Maths, Fun with Numbers. We will continue our this chapter. So, children, let's have some quick revision of this chapter. What we have did. We have did fun with numbers, like I told you, from 0 to 10 how we can draw several pictures from our numbers only. Like from 0 I told you we can draw clock, from 1 we can draw rabbit, from 2 we can draw swam, from 3 we can draw a bird, 4 we can draw a kite, from 5 we can draw a apple, and same we can continue with our numbers up to 10 we can draw penguin. So children, in this we did this with the numbers, that we can do many things, and I give you one dot game, that you have to make a queue and you have to count how many dots are there, and you have to play a dot game with your friends. And what we did in that, we also did, like 4-5 friends were there, they were collecting tamarind seeds. Okay, and next then I told you about century, that at what score we are having our century. Like at 100 runs we can have our century. If there is 200 runs, then second century. So children, we have quick review and quick revision for that. Now we will continue our chapter. In this, children, uh, page number 4. Now continue. In this, there are fill in the blanks. Okay, children, listen carefully. Fill in the blanks. Here, there are some numbers are given here, and you have to write down the numbers in words. Like 99, it is written in number in words. I hope children you know that number names up to 200. Okay, I give you one homework. You did 100 to 200 number names in your rough notebook for your practice, and then you continue this question. In this, some of the numbers are given and numbers in words are missing. Like we can see, there is 102. 102 number is there, but their number in words is missing. So you have to write down number in words. Like you will write 102. Okay. Now next, 103 is written, 104. Now 105. So here what you have to do, number in words is written. Here you have to write down the number in figure. Like you will write 105. Okay children. Now 106 is written. You know spelling of 100. ONE HUNDRED. Okay children, repeat with me. ONEHUNDRED. Now 107 is written. Okay, you have to write down number in words. Now you will write here 107. ONEHUNDRED 100. 7. Next, 108. Number in words is written. So you will write here. What you will write children? You will write here 108. 8. You have to write down in figure. Okay, children. Next, 109 is written, 110 is written, 111 is written. Now 112. Number in words is written. You will write in number in figure. So you will write 112. Okay, children. Okay, children, understood? You will write here 112. Okay, understood? In this, you have to fill up somewhere number in figures and somewhere number in words. Okay, children? Now, come here. 195 is written, 196, 197, 198. Now, what will come? 199 is written. You will write number in figure 199. Okay, children. Next, 200, 201. Next, here you have to write number in figure also 202, and you have to write number in words also. TWO2 HUNDRED 100 2 TWO2. Okay, children. Next, 203. 203 is written. Now 204. Now 204. So number in words is written. Now you have to write number in figure. So you will write here 204. Very good. Now 205 is written. Now what is next? 206. So number is written in figure. What you will do, children? You will write number in words. TWO2 HUNDRED 100. And what is the spelling of 6? Yes, very good. SIX. Okay, children? Understood? Now, come for the solution. Look, children, like this it is. So, children, here is solution. I have given you which number or which number in words or which number in figure is missing. I have written here. Like this, in first we have missed our 102. So, children, I have written 102 here. You can go through it and you can have your number names in words, number name in figures properly in your notebook. Okay, children, I have given you solution for this also. Now next, here 199 is missing, 199. So I have given you solution for this also. You can cross check, like here figure is missing, so I have written 199 and number in words is already written. So you can check that whether you are writing right or wrong, and you did practice for this also. Okay, children? Now come to next. Here also 105 in figure is missing. Here 107 is missing in words. Okay, children? 108 is missing in your figure. So I have written 112 is missing in your figure. I have mentioned it. So you just go through it and you check. Okay, children? 202 is missing here. So I have written in your words also and in your figure also. Here in figure 204 is missing, and here 206 is missing in words. Okay, children? Now come to next page. Now there are some player. Okay children, there are some player here. They are top 10 scorers in the cricket match. Okay, now there are some players like 5 here and 5 here, so total 10 players are there and their scores are written over here. First you understood. Okay children, listen carefully. Like, you can have a look children. CK just missed his century. How many runs did he make a century? Okay, you can tell that CK is there. CK player is there here. Okay, with how many runs he missed his century? He scored 99 runs. Okay, and if he score 1 run, so his century will be made, but with 1 run he didn't score a century. Dash and dash scored almost equal runs. Okay, you can have a look who has equal run, like APJ and VVS. They mostly are having equal run. How? VVS is having 127 and APJ is having 128. So both are near about scored equal runs. Okay. Now next, Dash scored a complete century, numberless and no more. Now have we look that who has scored? So children, can we have a look who scored complete century? Yes, AS scored complete century. He scored 100 runs, so he scored a complete century. Next, most runs by any batsman are. Now, most means which player score maximum run in the match. So we can have a look here. MD players score 178 run. How many runs? 178 run. So he scored most. Most means maximum runs he scored in the match. Dash and dash have a difference of just 1 run between them. Okay. Who has scored maximum number of runs near about equals, like VVS and APJ scored 128 and 127, so the difference is 1, so they have difference of just 1, so they have difference of 1, that is 1 run, that is APJ and VVS. Next, Dash scored 2 more than 1 and half century, like century I told you at 100 runs and second century 200 runs. So 1 century is at 100 runs. So if we did half century, like 50 runs we did, so that is 150, that is half century. Okay, 150 and 100. So they were telling that they have scored 2 more than 1 and a half century. They have scored 2 more scores they have scored more. Like we can have a look who has scored here. KSP scored 152 runs, like 100 is century and half century 50, and if we add 2 score, that is 150, so 152, so he scored 2 more than 1 and a half century. Okay children, understood? Now let's have a look on our solution. You can have solution here. Okay, I have given you. Understood, children? You can do your solution from here. This is your solution. Understood? Okay, children. Now come to next page. In this we have counting in tens. We have counting in tens. Like 10 is given. So they have given us some numbers, like they have given 110. They have added in 110. And here they have given 300 and they have added in 310. So children, let's have a look. Here we suppose like they have given 720. It's a filler. So it may be here 710. Okay, means 700 we are having and 10 we add. Okay, children. Like in first we have to add 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, then 60, then 70, then 80, and then 90. Okay, according to this we will add. Like here is 20, so what we will come here? 220, 310, and here it will come 320. What will come? 320. Okay, children. Like this, here is 30. This I show you. Here is 30. So what will come here? 330. Sorry, children. Here will come 130, and here will come 330, and here will come 730. Okay, children? Understood? Like this, there is 100, means 100 here. Here is 300. They have suggested a number, and here is 700. So in this, by this we will add only 10. We will add only 20. We will add only 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, children? Like this we will add on. Like here it is 100. Okay. Now here it is 200. We add 10, so it is 200. And here it is 390. We add 400. Now same. Here it is 790. So it is 800. Okay, children? Let's have a look. Come to our solution. Look here, solution. This I have given you what numbers missed, so you can have a look. Like 10, 110, 310. Okay, first we will check these series. Like 40 is missing, 50 is missing, 60 is missing, 70 is missing, 80 is missing, and 90 is missing. So 10 number are increasing over there. Okay, children? Now next is 100. Here also 10 numbers are increasing, so it comes up to 200. Now next 300. So here also 10, 20 according to the tens they are increasing, so it comes up to 400. Now next, here it is 700, and we add 10 or 20, so it comes up to 800. Okay, children? Understood how you have to add? You have to add 10 in the numbers. How you will add? Okay, 20, 30. Okay, children. Now come back to our next question. Now children, you have to do counting in 50. You have to do counting in 50. Like it is written 200 and 550. So let's have a look. Here they have added 50. So it's 250, and in all we have to add 50. So here it will come 600. Okay, children? Here it is 250. Okay, 50 they add in all. Here they have to add same in all. So here it will come 600. Okay. Next, if we add 250 plus 50, it will come 300. Okay. Now if we add 600 plus 50, it will come 650. Now if we add in 300, 50 we add, so it will come 350. Same, if we add in 650, 50, then it will come 700. Now next is 350. If we add in 350, 50, what will come? It will come 400. And here it is already given like 700. If we add 50, it will come 750. Okay, children. Now 400, if we add 50, then it will come 450. And if we add 750 with 50, that it will come 800. Now next 450 plus 50, it will 500, and 800 plus 50, it is 850. So our counting in 50s is correct. So our solution is coming 850. Now children, have a look. Have a look. Here is some solution I have given you. What numbers are missing, that I have written here. Okay, children. So you do and you will check. Understood? So children, under this there are two questions. How far can you go like this? Means how far can you go like this? Means if we are adding 50 in a number, how far can we go? There is no limit. I have given you answer also. There is no limit to numbers. We can go on to infinity. We can go on to infinity. Okay, children? Because if we are adding, that it will goes to infinity. What is the biggest number you can call out? So can you give some biggest number? No. If they are asking like up to 100 and 200, which is the biggest number, so we can have answered that is 200. But they are asking what is the biggest number you can call out. So in maths there is no biggest number, because it goes up to infinity. Somewhere we are adding, somewhere we are doing multiplication. So the numbers are coming up to infinity. Now next. Now children, come to our next page. Color the numbers given in the circle. Like find these numbers in the above chart. Like children, they have colored some of the number. Like for example, I am showing you these numbers colored green, these number colored red, and these number colored yellow. For example, if we are taking green, okay children, here are some numbers, several numbers are there. So 140, have a look, 140, like this you have to color. On 140 you have to color green. Next, red is 54, so you have to color 54 with red. In this box you have to color according to this chart, like we are having yellow, 440, 445, it is 445. So which color we have to do in this? We have to do yellow color. First we will check 445. 5. Where it is? Can you guess? Yes, very good. Here it is, 445. Okay children, like this you have to check which number in green chart, which number in red, and which number in yellow. According to that you have to color the numbers here. Okay children, now let's have a look. Like this you have to do. This is your green color, green number colors, and this is your yellow. So children, this is your red color. This is your red color. You have to do red color. Okay. Okay children. Okay. Now come back to our next page. Like this chart, it is given red, yellow and green. According to this you have to color it, and I show you solution also children. Now come to next page. Now children, here are some jumping animals like gabru, bunny, taru, and all are jumping the way. Gabru jumps on every 7 square. Gabru jump on every 7 square. Bunny on every 5th square, and taru 4th square. Gabru starts jumping square numbers 90. He starts from 90. Gabru. Bunny starts jumping from square number. Which number? It is 99. Okay children. And taru starts jumping from square number 106. From here he starts. Like if Gabru will jump, he will jump next 7 square number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So next 7 number, that is 97. But bunny starts from 90, 99, and he will jump up to 5th square number. So children, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is 104. Taru starts jumping from a square number 106. So he will jump 4. He will jump 4. So let's have a look. If Taru starts from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 110 he will go. Understood? Now same here, it is continue here how they are jumping. Okay, so you can have a look. Now let's start with our questions. Like in this, bunny 10th jump is on number. Now if bunny jump on 10th number, how he will jump? Like from 99 he starts, 99 plus 10 into 5, because he was jumping up to 5th number. So 99 plus 50 is equals to 149. Next, Taru 10th jump is on number. Now Taru 10th jump is on number. He was jumping in a 4 number square. So he start from 106. 106 plus 10 into 4, 40. 106 plus 40 is equals to 146. Next, Gabru 10th jump will be on number 90. He starts from 90 and he jumps 7 square. So 10 into 7 is equals to 70. 90 plus 70 is equals to 160. Next, Gabru and Bunny both jumps on squares 104. Like they were asking Gabru and Bunny both jump on square like they jump on 104 same. What is the next number? That is 139, and the next is 174, and the next is 174. Now come here. Here is solution. You can have a look. Okay, how they jump. 10th jump according to from where they are starting their jumping. Okay children, understood? Now come to next. Find out Taru and Bunny jump on number dash dash and dash. Taru and Bunny jump on a number that is 114, 134 and 174. And here this number is common and they jump on 154 previous. Okay, so here it will come 114, 134 and 174. Is there any number where all three of them jump? Yes, on 174 all three of them jump together. Guess who will finish in the least jump in how many jumps? Like who finished jump least? That is Gabru. That is Gabru. Okay, in how many jumps? He finished on 12th jump. He finished on 12th jump. Now let's have a look. Yes, all three jump on 174. Okay, and you can have a look how they are jumping. Okay, according to Very. Understood? Now next, you can have a look. Now Gabru will finish at least jump in how many jumps? That is 12 jump. Now next, this is your solution. Okay children, so you can have a look how they are jumping. Next, I have given you one worksheet. In this, you have to solve the riddle and circle the correct number. Circle the correct number. Okay children, now let's have a look. I have 4 in my ones place. 4 in my ones place. Okay, he was telling 4 in my ones place. I am more than 22 out less than 30. So more than 22 is, that is, if we add 2 here, so that will become 24. So our guess is this. I have 6 in the 10th place and 7th in the ones place. I am greater but less than 400. How? So 6 in 10 place, 7 in 1 place, and I am greater than 200 but less than 400. So greater than 200 is 3. Okay, 300. So it is 367. Because it is less than 200, it is more than 400, and it is also more than. So this is our correct option. This. Now next, I have 6 in my 10 place. 10 place, 1 is remaining left. I am greater than 60. So greater than 60, it is wrong. It is wrong. But less than number. But less than number. but less than number 70. So I told you 6 in 10 place, and here it is remaining. So these all are wrong. This is already less than 50, so here it will come if 67, so it is greater than 60 and less than 70. Next, I am an odd number. I am between 315 and 323. So 315 is, so many numbers are here, but 323 it will be between. So it is not there because it is 321. We have to see which is 315 and 323. Next, 317 is also not there. Now 319 is also not there. 400 is maximum. So here we can have a look that 321, it is less than 23 and more than 315. So our answer is 321. Okay children. Now next, I am even number. I am between 978 and 994. The ones and tens are same. Which number am I? So which number? Means they were telling 978. They are between 978 and 994. So here it is only 988. Which number is there? 988, because 977 is less than. They were telling 978 and 994. 980 and 888, it is also not there. So 988, that number will come in between. Okay children, understood? 980 is also not there because they have to come between 994. So it is only 988. So you do this riddle. Okay children. So children, I hope you understood how we did counting in tens, riddles, missing number in words, missing number in figures. So children, you do one thing, you write down number names properly, you do your questions what I have given you properly, okay, and revise also properly. Okay children. So thank you children. Bye bye.